All right. Welcome, everybody. It's a Friday and it's a fun day and a good day. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am so grateful that everybody is spending time with us today to learn about ways that we can all be there for everybody else, learn about ways that we can increase our health, help anybody else out that might be in need. And for me, what I love to do is just answer questions. So these are always super fun for me. And we have some really good questions that I'm going to be going over today. So we'll just jump right in. Michelle asks, do you recommend coffee enemas? Scott asks, how can we order our own tests and blood work without a doctor who doesn't get it? Mike asks, I finished the urotherapy course. Thank you for your great information. Should you wait 20 to 30 minutes before taking any supplements after you drink your urine? Can ACV help with losing weight? Any recommendations for me and kids to protect from shedding? There was a link, there was a bio compound that was found in the shots that had a component of HIV. And that is true.
I have a question on the urotherapy.
Yes.
Say you go out with friends and you have a glass of wine or some kind of alcohol. Can you still drink your urine?
I wanted to know if the cleanses were absolutely essential before doing the therapy.
Hey, I am a massage therapist and I work out of a chiropractic clinic. None of us have been shotted up, but we've been getting sick.
Giovanna says, greetings from Serbia. My question relates to autoimmune diseases. Autoimmune diseases, once you go through an intestinal cleanse, 3 liver and gallbladder cleanses, a harmful organism cleanse, and a chemical and heavy metal cleanse, and you start eliminating, if you take my root cause of disease course at the Global Healing Institute, you'll understand all of the things that are causing you to have autoimmune disease. Really appreciate everybody hanging in there today. We'll do a repost. And as always, I wish everybody lots of love and blessings. And we'll all be here together through these challenging times, through these great times of this great awakening too. We have to keep a real positive, loving attitude and send love to everybody and keep this high vibrational transition going in the right direction. So thanks again for joining me today. Have a wonderful day, wonderful weekend, and we will talk again soon. Take care. Bye.